Yes.
Where is it?
I think you should come outside. It's pretty bad.
I know, I can see it's gone through our gate.
Yeah, check it though.
But I can't see because I've got the burglar bars on it.
Holy. Whose trampoline is that? Oh my soul. That's my trampoline.
Yeah, that looks like a nice new one. Oh, not anymore.
It's like tear it apart there at the bottom.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's not good. Okay, guys. Bye. I've got a baby
No
wants
worries.
to play. Of course, man. Anytime.
No problem.
Yes. A little bit of yeah, excitement. It's wish it was less destructive.